Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up video in Shotcut. Shotcut is free open source program, so you can just download and install it for free and then learn video editing by watching playlist on our channel. So now let's start. Once you open Shotcut, you will see something like this. Over here we've got projects folder, so you can choose the folder where you want all the projects in Shotcut to be saved. Down here you need to type in your current project name. I'm just going to call it video 6, and then in video mode you can choose what resolution and how many frames per second you would like your project to have, or you can simply hit automatic, and if you choose automatic it will automatically be imported from the first clip you're going to import to your project. So once you set up everything, hit start, and now two important things. First of all, make sure you are on editing tab. Second of all, once we go to view, make sure that all of this is turned on. So for example, if in the later part of the video I will be talking about timeline and you don't see timeline, that means it's turned off over here. So now let's move to the next step, which is importing our clip. Click on playlist down here, and once playlist opens, open the folder where you have the video clip you would like to import, and then simply drag the video clip to the playlist. Once you do this, you should see it over here on the list, and you should see the preview over here. So this video looks like this. As you can see, there are two colored smokes coming slowly into the center, and I'm just going to show you how to speed up this video. So the next thing we need to do is to click on timeline and then drag our clip down here. It will create a new video track with our clip, as you can see over here. You can zoom in and zoom out this video by using this slider, or simply holding Ctrl and using the scroll on your mouse. Now before we move to speeding up the video, let me cut this video in this place, so I just put the slider over here and press S. And I will speed up the first half of the video, and I will leave the second half unchanged, but I'm going to cut it in this place forward. So I'm gonna press O. As you can see, O cut out all of it. And now we can move to the next step, which is speeding up this part. In order to do that, click on it, go to Properties, and then over here you can see Speed. So if you increase this value over here, you can speed it up, for example, by 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times, or however fast you want. And let me speed it up 7 times. Once we set it up, we need to click somewhere else. And right now Shotcut is calculating the new speed of the video. As you can see, the new speed was changed to 7 seconds, and as you can see down here, it was shortened from here all the way here, because of course if we increase the speed, the length of the video becomes shorter. So once we did that, we can simply click over here, right click, remove, so our video will be one consistent part. And now let me show you in the preview how it looks like. So as you can see, it's super fast, the first half, and then we're going to get to the second part, which is like a slow motion. And don't worry if it was laggy in the preview, once we export the video, it should all be perfectly smooth. So now when we already speed up the video, we can export it. In order to do that, hit on Export over here. Then from the menu on the left side, choose H.264 main profile and hit Export file. Choose the name you would like your video to have and hit save. Once you do this, on the right side you should see a new task being performed, and once this task is done, your video will be saved in the location you chose. The video was already exported, so let me show you how it looks like. As you can see, the first half of the video is very fast, and then we're moving into a slow motion. So this is the effect I was trying to achieve. And that would be it for today. Make sure to watch other videos about Shotcut from our channel, and let me know if you managed to speed up the video after watching this tutorial, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!